Welcome to Click and Learn YouTube channel.
Welcome to the channel. This is Honda Civic 2011 model. We'll see what happened at the dashboard. I'm going to start the car, have a look at the dashboard. Tire pressure light on, ABS light on, and the VSA triangle warning sign. Yeah, lot of light on at the dashboard. Like this problem, we need to check with the computer. Honda 2011 Civic 1.4. Now I'm going to take a under anti-lock brakes. Right, like this problem, what I'm going to do, I'm going to the data. You can see the four wheels here. I'm going to take it backward and forward. Yeah, you can see all top three changing, but bottom one nothing changed. I feeling like this problem most time is a wheel speed sensor or ABS sensor as we know. Right, I'm going to leave it everything as it is. Then I'm going to remove driver side, rear wheel and come back to you. Right, basically we found broken wire inside. You can see that's why there could be the light on. However, when I going to remove this one, this nut head, you can see round up, we have to struggle bit to remove that one. Then after that the other half broken inside this hole. What we have to do, we have to remove this caliper, and after that we can chisel it out from here, make sure the whole hole clear. Then after that we have a new part and we are going to install, and we have to find the another nut for this one. We found another nut, but it's 8 mil, doesn't matter, it's doing the job. And we are going to reinstall, fix the tire, and I'll come back to you. Already fixed the tire, ABS sensor, all done this side. Then I'm going to start the car. Still I didn't reset with the computer. I'm just going to start the car. You can see all light disappeared. Even I'm not touch my computer, then I don't want to touch my computer. Now you know all as should be good. However, I'm going to back from my computer. Right, I'm going to check any faulty code left there. Yes, still faulty codes there. I'm going to clear faulty codes. Yes, right, okay, all cleared. Now I'm going to take to the road test and have a look what's going on there. Right, I'm at the road test now. You can see at the dashboard, no any funny warning light, all nice and clear. Right, all going as should be. I complete the road test. You can see nice and clear dashboard. All jobs went fine. If you have a like this problem, you know what to do. Check with the computer, find out the faulty codes, then take a live data. Then after that, go with the computer, ending with like this clear dashboard. Thank you. See you in the next video.